Hello everyone. Let us discuss about polymorphism and its types with an example. Polymorphism. Polymorphism defines the ability to take more than one form. Basically, it is of two types, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. In programming, polymorphism allows the same function, method, or operator to behave differently depending on the context. Compile time polymorphism achieved using function overloading and operator overloading. Decided at compile time. Here is an example of compile time polymorphism. Hash include ivoslim.h using namespace std, class math, public, int add, int a, int b, return a plus b, double add, double a, double b, return a plus b. Int main of math m cout m dot add 3 4 enter cout m dot add 2.5 4.3 enter return 0. Here add of work differently based on different argument, so it gives output as 7 6.8. Second, runtime polymorphism achieved using method overriding with inheritance plus virtual function desired at runtime. Here is an example of runtime polymorphism. Hash include ivoslim.h using namespace std, class animal, public, virtual void sound of polymorphism. Cout animal makes sound ender. Class dog, public animal. Public void sound of override. Cout dog barks ender. Int main of animal address a, dog d, a equal to address d, a hence to sound of return 0. Animal is the base class. The function sound of is declared as virtual, which means if your derived class overrides it, the function call will be resolved at runtime. Dog is the derived class. It overrides the sound of function of animal. The keyword override is optional in C++, but it's good practice since it tells the compiler you intend to override a base class method. A is a pointer of type animal. It is assigned the address of dog, object D. Since sound of is virtual, the compiler does runtime polymorphism. It checks the actual object, dog, not the pointer type animal. Therefore, it calls dog version of sound of. So the output is dog box. Uses of polymorphism. Core reusability. Same function or operator name can be handled different data type. Flexibility. The program can decide at runtime which method to call. Maintainability. Easier to extend code by adding new classes or functionalities without changing existing code. Readability. Using the same method, name, example, draw of, sound of make the code more intuitive. Real world modeling. Useful in cases like different animal making different sound or different shape making different area of method. In summary, polymorphism helps making program more flexible, reusable and maintainable by allowing the same interface to work with different underlying form.